Dominican Republic. Location: the Dominican Republic is a Caribbean nation located on the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antilles Archipelago. It shares the island with Haiti to the west and is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the north and the Caribbean Sea to the south. Capital: the capital city of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo, situated on the southern coast of the island. Santo Domingo is the largest city in the country and serves as its political, economic, and cultural center. Population: the Dominican Republic has a population of approximately 10.8 million people, making it the most populous country in the Caribbean region. The majority of the population is of mixed African and European descent, with smaller percentages of African, European, and indigenous Taino heritage. Official language: Spanish is the official language of the Dominican Republic and is spoken by the vast majority of the population. English and Haitian Creole are also spoken, particularly in tourist areas and areas near the Haitian border. Government: the Dominican Republic is a representative democracy with a presidential system of government. The President of the Dominican Republic serves as both the head of state and government and is elected by popular vote for a 4-year term. The National Congress, consisting of the Senate and the Chamber of Deputies, is the legislative body of the country. Independence: the Dominican Republic gained independence from Spain on February 27, 1844, after a period of struggle and resistance against Spanish colonial rule. It was the first colony in the Americas to declare independence from European colonial powers. Geography: the Dominican Republic is characterized by its diverse geography, including mountain ranges, fertile valleys, and pristine beaches. The country is home to the Caribbean's highest peak, Pico Duarte, as well as the Caribbean's largest lake, Lake Enriquillo. The island has a tropical climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. Economy: the Dominican Republic has a mixed economy with sectors including tourism, manufacturing, agriculture, and services. Tourism is a major driver of the economy, with the country known for its beautiful beaches, historic sites, and vibrant culture. Other key industries include telecommunications, textiles, and agriculture, with exports including sugar, coffee, and tobacco. Currency: the official currency of the Dominican Republic is the Dominican peso, DOP, which is abbreviated as RD dollar. Culture: Dominican culture is a blend of Spanish, African, and indigenous Taino influences, resulting in a rich and vibrant cultural heritage. Music and dance are central to Dominican culture, with genres such as merengue, bachata, and salsa widely celebrated. Dominican cuisine is known for its flavorful dishes, including mango, sancocho, and tostones. Religion: Roman Catholicism is the predominant religion in the Dominican Republic, with the majority of the population identifying as Catholic. However, there is religious freedom in the country, and other religious beliefs, including Protestantism and Afro-Caribbean religions, are also practiced. Languages: Spanish is the official language of the Dominican Republic and is spoken by the majority of the population. English and Haitian Creole are also spoken, particularly in tourist areas and areas near the Haitian border. Tourism: the Dominican Republic is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches, historic cities, and vibrant culture. Tourists are drawn to attractions such as the Colonial Zone in Santo Domingo, the resort areas of Punta Cana and Puerto Plata, and the natural beauty of national parks like Los Haitises and Jaragua. Environmental conservation: the Dominican Republic is committed to environmental conservation and sustainable development. Efforts are underway to protect and preserve the country's natural resources, including its beaches, forests, and wildlife habitats. The government has implemented initiatives to promote eco-tourism and renewable energy. International relations: the Dominican Republic maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations, the Organization of American States, OAS, and the Caribbean Community, CARICOM. The country has historically maintained close ties with the United States and other countries in the Americas. The Dominican Republic, with its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes, offers visitors a unique Caribbean experience. Whether exploring its colonial heritage, relaxing on its pristine beaches, or immersing oneself in its vibrant culture, the Dominican Republic promises an unforgettable journey.